Hi all, and today's video we will discuss about the check the balanced parenthesis in the Python. So how the balanced parenthesis applicable with the help of stack. So that is our question. So you can know, I will tell you. For example, you can see here balanced parenthesis. For example, if you have some of the parenthesis like total six parentheses are available. I will tell you what are the parentheses. The parenthesis application is one of the important one. So this one, this one and the closing and open, curly braces, closing, and the square bracket, opening, the square bracket, closing. So these are the six type of parentheses available in the video or in the section. So we need to check the parenthesis, the correct form of parenthesis or not. Then only we can, because normally we are getting complex of queries, right, in the dynamic programming and all. So the correct analysis of the query will get the correct result. So that is the example. We need to check the parenthesis check. For example, if you get like this, first we insert the item into here, this the open into here, and this one is there, and again the one is here. So then we check in the fifth position, we get the closing bracket. So the closing bracket, if I find the closing bracket here, we can remove the this one from here, and next I get this one, this also I can remove. Then next I get the opening, so I need to add this opening here. Then I get the closing, so I can close this one here. Then I get this one, then I can remove this one. I can just the closing of the curly bracket, the stack will become empty. Then only we can say that it is a balanced parenthesis. Otherwise, we need to take this as an imbalanced parenthesis. Though there is no much expression we will get. So that kind of thing we need to do with the help of stack. So from the code you can see here, for example, I'm running this code. We can give the input. For example, I'm giving the input like this one. So I think you hope you all clear, because it is one closing, one square opening, then square closing, square means this one is bracket, this bracket closing. So this I definitely written true. So but here though print is balanced of A, that is calling to here. We are passing this expression here. Then the one list, MD list is we declare. Then for X in expression, each and every variable. For example, here you can see this one, and okay. These are the things we get from here. Okay. So for X in X, okay. First check it will be then appending to the stack. So what it do? It will be appending stack. Already we have a stack, right? Stack equal to a list. Then stack dot append this one. Then the list like opening, opening, mm, comma. Then this opening, comma. So these are the things we will get from there, right? So we appending stack dot append of X, then append else if not stack. This condition is for example, it is a normal condition, right? For if I get like this closing bracket first, one closing bracket, then opening and closing, then this one, right? The first time we get a closing bracket, so that condition also we need to manage. So that is the reason we, if not in stack, we can return the false. Then we are checking if match of stack. We are passing this item at the top and the given next item we are passing. Then each check is matching. A is the first one in the top of the stack we inserted. Then X is the item we get. Then A equal to this one and B equal to this one, or A equal to this curly bracket and closing curly bracket or this bracket, square bracket or closing square bracket, then return true. Otherwise, if there is any thing mismatch this one, it will return the false. So that we can deal with here. Then else stack of pop. Then we can pop, easily pop, right? There is no matching. Then pop operation we can perform. And if the stack here in this section, we can see that if stack, if there is any item left, if normally like balanced parenthesis, we know that if it see the opening and closing parenthesis, it removed from the stack. For example, here this one, right? We get the closing here, then it can be removed from here. So that type of information we didn't get. If the stack contain any of the data, then return false. Else it will be written true. So these are the condition we are checking in the balanced parenthesis. In the time complexity means we already know bigger of n by 2 in the n by 2. Okay, n by 2 we can use. And auxiliary space, definitely we want to and means time complexity big of n, and auxiliary space means big of n by 2. For the best case, we can see that if the item like this one, item like opening, closing, then this one, then only insert and then next closing is coming, then it delete. So that kind of item, it will be bigger of 1. We can do the operation in a constant time. So these are about the checking the balanced parenthesis in Python. Hope you all clear. If you have any doubt, comment below.